Did you know you can make thousands of dollars on YouTube without ever showing your face? That's right. In this guide, we'll break down a simple step-by-step method to start and grow a faceless YouTube channel that makes passive income. And the best part, you don't need expensive equipment, editing skills, or even to record your own voice. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? Instead of filming yourself, you use stock footage, animations, text, AI-generated voiceovers, and simple video editing to create engaging content. Some of the biggest YouTube channels do this, and they make 6 to 7 figures per year. Before you start, you need to pick a niche. Here are 5 profitable faceless YouTube niches. 1. Finance and investing, personal finance, stock market, business tips. 2. Motivational videos, inspirational speeches, success stories. 3. Tech and gadgets reviews, comparisons, AI trends. 4. Educational and how-to tutorials, life hacks, explainer videos. 5. Luxury and travel, wealth, lifestyle, expensive cars, dream vacations. Choose a niche that has high CPM, ad revenue potential, and steady audience demand. Now, let's talk about creating content. Here's the step-by-step process. Script writing: use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate engaging scripts. Voiceover: use AI voice generators like 11 Labs, Play.ht, or Speechelo to create professional narration. Video editing: use tools like Canva, InVideo, or CapCut to combine stock footage, animations, and text overlays. Stock footage and images get royalty-free clips from Pexels, Pixabay, or Storyblocks to enhance visuals. Background music and sound effects: use free resources like Epidemic Sound or YouTube Audio Library to add depth. Once your video is ready, it's time to upload and optimize it for maximum reach. Eye-catching thumbnails: use Canva or Photoshop to design clickable thumbnails. SEO-optimized titles and descriptions: use tools like TubeBuddy and Vidic to find trending keywords. Engaging call-to-action CTA: ask viewers to like, subscribe, and comment to boost engagement. Consistency: aim for at least 2-3 videos per week to grow faster. Here's how you can make money from your faceless YouTube channel. YouTube ad revenue: earned from ads once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Affiliate marketing: promote products in your niche and earn commissions. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, etc. Sponsorships: get paid by brands for product mentions and promotions. Selling digital products: offer ebooks, courses, or exclusive content. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to making money on YouTube without ever showing your face. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to engage with the content by liking or subscribing for more insights. Let's build your YouTube empire together.